Yes, sir.
Yeah, go on the mute. So whoever on the, yeah, can just Lakshmi Narayan Garu, you can just go on the mute. Sure, thank you so much. And today we are going to discuss about the SAP FICO global settings. So global settings are very important for FI and CO. So we are doing the configurations. Why? Because I mean those global settings are depending upon the certain year variants. Okay, closing periods also will be there. Physical year variant will be there. So those configurations we will do in this session only. Yeah, go to the uh, transaction code. First one in the enterprise structure global settings. Okay, what is the transaction code? OB29 is the transaction code. Yeah, you can just log on user and password. Yeah, very nice. Go to the transaction code OB29. So this is a configuration for the global settings, that is maintain physical year variant. Okay, here you can just see whatever the physical year variant that we have configured. You can just see here April to March calendar year, one special period, April to March. Okay, so all will be there. First, before we configure this one, we need to know what is the physical year variant. Here, the default calendar system allows for a maximum amount of 16 periods. You can just see one thing here. 06 is the physical year variant, April to March. So here number of physical periods is 16, sorry, 12, and special periods are 4. Okay, you can just see them, Bala. Here number of posting periods are, you can just copy the 06. Yes, see here the special, I mean 16 periods will be there, and 12 or regular periods. Okay, then next 4 or special periods. Okay, that is why very important here. Why we are using those 4 special periods? So we are using these special periods for auditing and also correction purposes. Okay, if the data is missed, so we can use this 4 special periods. Okay, CA will be there, I mean that auditor will be there. So whatever the information that we have on the basis of the tax amounts only, in this fiscal year variant only, we can define, that is 4 special periods. Okay, so here April to fiscal year variant, you can just copy this fiscal year variant, no issue. Go back, Bala. Here there is no fiscal year variant, right? Huh? You have copied, right? Have you copied or not?
చేశాడు సార్.
Uh, okay, no issue. Go to the periods. Select. Okay. Change the fiscal year variant. April to March. SV is the fiscal year variant. Okay. Then click on enter. Click on enter button. Okay, an entry already exists with the same key. So change this VS. I think so. VS, right? Okay, VS. Okay. Enter. Okay. Copy all. Copy all. Okay, number of dependent entries are copied. Okay, just go to the VS, sorry, just go to the save button and save it. First of all, save it. No, go to the save button and save it. Okay, here there is a create request, right? Okay, no issue. Just copy this physical year variant, whatever you have created. Okay, go to the periods. Go to the periods. Click on the periods. Yes, see here, all of you just need to I mean get some knowledge on the what are those fiscal year variants, Why we have 12 regular periods? Why we need to give 4 special periods? Why? Because in Indian companies, we follow 12 posting periods. That means April to March with 4 special periods. We can, create that fiscal year variant as per the company only. Some of the companies will follow, like US companies will follow 12 posting periods, like January to December with 4 special periods. So those variants will be separate. And then some other companies will follow posting periods from July to June, okay, or October to September with 4 special periods. See, here we have the fiscal year variant. Here the variance we can maintain at which level? Client level only we can maintain. So there is a year dependent will be there, year independent will be there. Year dependent means what? Period can be differ from year to year or dates, right? So year independent means what? Same number and dates for the periods for every year. Okay, from January to December, so the same dates. When it comes to the April to March, so those periods will be changed. So that is why you can observe here. Just go to this year shift option, Bala. No. Here only. Month, day, period. Yeah, year shift only, right? So here, see, all of you see here that 12 to 1 is what? 12 to 1 is March. Why? Because we have given this fiscal year variant from April to March. Okay. So here April is what? 4th, right? Year shift is 0. Why? Because year is not shifting. This month is not shifted. When it comes to the March, it has shifted. So that is why we have taken year shift as -1. Okay. So in this fiscal year variant only, we can provide from 2021 to 2022 is our fiscal year variant. Okay. So you can just copy all these one. If you want, you can just go to the period text. Bala, go to the period text. Huh. Period text. Here there is a language is there and period is there, text is there, and text also total description will be there. So we know not to require these fields and also text test. Okay, it is not at all required. Why? Because we are understanding the year is started with the April to the March, ended with the March. Okay, so we have already understood what is that year shift and what is the year shift no change. Okay, so you can just what we say, you can just remind yourself what is the year dependent and what is the year independent. You need to know about this one. Otherwise, our country will follow year dependent. Some of the, foreign countries will follow year dependent only. Okay. So year, not the year dependent, year independent only they will follow. Why? Because same number, same dates when it comes to the January to December. When it comes to the our year dependent, so periods will be changed. Okay, years will be changed and dates will be changed. Yeah, this is the thing here. You can just see them. Click on the one, Bala. Copy the one. Copy the one. No. Yeah, copy the 1, 2, 3. So why? Because this is a year dependent. Our country is a year dependent. Why? Because period can be differ from year to year. So that is why we have given this fiscal year variant as April to March. You can just go to the save button and save it. We have already created. Otherwise, if you don't have the copy option, you need to we need to fill all these fields: month, day, period, shift.
Sir,
Okay, that
year
is
shift is I think for about 2 also -1 or 1 only. Year shift for this 1, 2, 3 serial numbers.
only one, and 0 is the not year shift. -1 is the year shift. Okay.
No, 1, 2, 3 also is year shift. No, not required, sir. 2 is not
Not required.
required. -1.
Month only. Okay, that is month only. Okay, so
January,
year
February, March.
is, see, I will give you the example. From April to December, same year will be there, right?
Correct.
Okay, and when it comes to the January 2022 will be there. Okay.
Yeah. So that's why year shift will be -1, no, sir. This side.
The -1.
Yeah, that first one is -1 and second one -1 and third one also should be -1.
Yeah. That means 12th means March, 11th means February, 10th means January, 9th means, here there is a 9th, right? 9th period, yes, yeah, there is a 9th. That means December, like that only. So we will create. Just go to the save button and save it.
Sir, small doubt here. See, 10, 12, 10, 11, 12 is there, no?
Yeah.
That will be coming the 2022 January, February, March. This
Yes, yes, that is the thing.
so 2022 means year shift will be -1, -1, -1, no, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, so year shift we put it here one only. Why we put it one? It should be -1 only, right?
Yeah, it should be -1 only.
We can change it now, sir. That -1
Which
above
one?
year shift for the year shift first one.
First, no. Year shift is the -1 only. We don't need
Sir,
to change.
ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ కాలం ఉంది కదా, ఫస్ట్ మంత్ 1 ఉంది కదా, సీరియల్ నెంబర్ 1.
Yes.
ఫర్ దట్ వన్ ఇయర్ షిఫ్ట్ విల్ బి -1, right?
No. So here you can see, so in the demo server, so they are giving that only. It is not at all required. Okay. So
Okay.
in the real time only, we can change it. Okay. What is that month? Exact month they will give. Okay.
Yeah,
This
in
is,
real time we should keep here
yeah,
-1, right?
yes.
Yeah, we need to keep -1.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Go to the save button and save it. Yeah. Go back. So here we have already created this physical year variant. Okay, we need to assign this company code, okay, to the particular physical year variant. Go back. Go to the transaction code OB37. Go to the transaction code OB37. Again, it is coming, right? Oh, go to the position. Come, give me your company code. Go on the mute. So whoever in the call, go on. Yeah, thank you. So fiscal year, give your fiscal year variant. Okay, I think the data is locked. I think so. Go back and OB37. SM12. Then just come up with OB37. Assigning company code is very, very important. Why? Because when we post any other, I mean, invoices in FB50, FB60, and FB70, so that is very important. Assigning company code is very important. We are giving the, those, we are getting those reports from this company code. Yes. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, enter, 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 enter. Yeah. Create request. Okay, no issue. Go back. Go back. So we have configured a fiscal year variant, and also we have assigned company code to the fiscal year variant. Okay, then just here define posting period variant. The transaction code for this defining posting period variant is OBBO. Put the OBBO transaction code. Here we need to create this posting period variant, right? Why we need to create this posting period variant? So posting period variant is used to control which accounting period is open for postings. Okay, so this is an important control tool. Just go to the new entries. Give your variant. Give your variant. Anything. Anything. Okay, no issue. Give your variant as a VS. VS. Yeah. So this is posting period variant for anything. Sinu. Your company code is. Then just go to the save button and save. So we have already created the this posting period variant. Then we need to create the variants for opening and closing posting periods. Okay. Why? Because here you can create posting periods in physical year variant, and you can open and close these posting periods for postings as many periods as you require. So that can be open for posting simultaneously. Okay. So here I will give you one example. You don't want those records for the month of April. Okay. For that April, you no need to give anything. Okay. Or for that account only, you no need to give anything. Or if you don't want to get the report for the particular April month for the particular GL, we can just give that one. Okay. Later you cannot get the report. Why? Because it's an invalid report that you don't want. Okay. Just go back and save it. Save it and go back. Okay. Go back. Go back. Here there is a create variants for openings and closings. Go to the transaction code OB52. Go to the transaction code OB52. Go to the new entries, Bala. We have created one variant, right? What is that variant? Posting period variant. Give that one. No. You have given posting period variant, right? SRVS, I think so. See here, this is the posting period variant. So yes, here, what is that? Open that one. Account type. Why we are giving this account type? Why? Because we are posting all those entries to the customers, vendors, materials, general ledger accounts, and assets also. So that is why drop down this option. Okay. Yeah. Valid for all account types. You can just see asset will be there, customer will be there, vendor will be there, materials will be there, GL accounts will be there, contract accounts will be there. So that is why here, so we are posting all those accounting invoices. I mean, particular transaction codes. Okay. So I mean, if you want to post these invoices, so you need to take this plus symbol only. Why? Because it is valid for all account types. Otherwise, system will throw an error. Take out that one. Yeah, from account we cannot take. Why? Because I have already told you. If you want, you want to stop those records for the particular GL account. So in that only you can just give that. Okay. So here 2021 give. Yeah. From period means 01. Year means 2021. To period means 12. Year is 2025 you can give, or else 2022. Yeah, that is fine. 2025 you can give, no issue. To period is 13 and year is 2021, and here the next one is 16. To period is, and year is 2022. You can just go to the save button and save it. Yeah, very nice. So we have created this what is that one? Posting period variant, right? So we need to assign this company code to the posting period variant. Go to the transaction code OBBP. Go to the transaction code OBBP. No issue. And delete all those data. Okay. Okay. Here OBBP transaction code is there, right? Okay. So here go to the position and take out your company code. What do you have created? The posting period variant give. Just go to the save button and save it. Very nice. Okay, so we have already saved. Then just go back to this, SAP Easy Access. Okay, so here we have already defined all these one. So the next configuration is define field status variant. Okay, so for this, you need to go to the transaction code. What is the transaction code here? OBC4. Go to the transaction code OBC4. So I will give you the basic example. So here field status variant is used to define the fields which are used for input, like cost centers, profit centers, plant, etc. Okay, which are entry fields and also hidden fields. Like, go to the transaction code FB50, Bala, once again, FB50 transaction code. See here, in the line item, there is a GL account, there is a short text, amount in document currency, amount in local currency, tax jurisdiction, assignment, value date. Then come to the right here. Come to the right. Yeah, right here. Yes, here see Bala, cost center is there, order is there, sales orders is there. Okay, so why I have told you the exact information of this means, you can suppress this option, you can make it as an entry field, you can make it as an optional field, you can make it as a display field. So that is why defining the field status variant is very important. Why? Because these are used for the input, like cost centers and profit centers, plan centers. Why? Because so it will define the fields basically. So that is very important here. Okay, you can suppress this option. You can if you want to suppress this cost center option, you can suppress. If you want to make it as a, this cost centers, you want to make it as a optional entry, you can do it that one. So go to the transaction code OBC4. For your reference only, I am telling. Okay, go to the OBC4 transaction code. Go to the, sorry, here there is a new entry will be there, right? Yes, option is there. Okay, no issue. Go to the any copy that one, anyone, copy that one. Anything? No. Here. Copy that one. Change your field status variant. Okay. Enter. Click on the enter. Click on the enter. An entry already exists with the same key. This is an error. Okay, just remove the physical year variant and change that field status variant. Sorry. DSF. Go to the copy all option. Copy all option. Copy that one. Okay. Yes, you have copied 41 entries here. Okay. Just go to the save button and save it first of all. Okay. See here, change the description also. Bala, field status variant for Srinu company, right? Yeah. Field status variant for Srinu. Okay. Just go. Go to the save button and save. Okay. Copy that one. VSFE. Go to the field status group. Go to the field status group here. Yes. See, click on the Z001. Okay. Just go to the general data. See here, there is a text, right? GL line item, there is a text. Okay. So these are the text. Okay. So we have already gone through the FB50 transaction code. In that, there is a text field will be there. Go to the screen entry, another screen. Go to the another screen. Okay. Go to the another screen. Here, go to the FB50 transaction code. FB50 transaction. See here, yeah, there is an item after the local currency amount. There is a text will be there. No, yeah, this one. Tax code will be there. Okay, so there will be a text. Okay, just come back to the right. No. Come back to the right. I will show you also. Yeah, see here, there is a text field, right? So all the general data and also some of the data source only. So there is a tax jurisdictions field will be there, assignment field will be there, tax text data will be there. If you want to make it as a required field, you can make it. So that text field you want to make it as a optional entry, you can just make it. So no issue here. Yeah, for your reference only I'm showing. Go to the that slide. Okay, put all these entries in optional. Hmm. Yes, go to the save button and save it. Like this, you need to save. Why? Because it's a demo server, right? So in the client data, so we will ask, so whether you want this field as a suppressed field or entry field or else optional entry field. Okay. Save it. Okay, all will be there. So okay, when error throw, I mean, so if system throws an error, we can just come back to this field status group and we will change. No issue. Okay. So we need those errors. So like that only we can I mean resolve all those errors. Okay. So if we put all optional entries, I mean all fields in optional entries, so you will not get any error, right? Okay. So for your purpose only, I am telling you. Okay. Then just go back to this one. What is a transaction code? We need to assign this company code to field status variant OBC5. Go to the transaction code OBC5. Okay. Give your company code. Give your company code. Give your field status variant. Give your field status variant.
Yes, sir. I already entered.
Yeah, save it. Save it, no issue. Okay. Then just next configuration is document types. OBA7. Go to the OBA7. I will give you brief overview of the OBA7. So here, document type is used to distinguish between different business transactions and to classify the accounting documents. So it is also used to determine the number range for documents and account types such as assets, materials, vendors. Okay. So we can define this document type at the client level only. Why we are using these document types? So why means when you are posting one invoice in the transaction code FB60 or FB70, I mean like KR document, KZ document, DR document, DZ document. I mean customer invoice, customer payment, vendor invoice, vendor payment, and also vendor credit. So that is why we need to know this document type is interlinked with the number range. Then only the entry will be passed. Otherwise, the system will throw an error. Okay, go to the transaction code OBA7. So here we no need to define all these document types. Why? Because we have already there, right? Okay, so for this we need to give the number range for that one. Okay, I will Bala, just to show them what is the AA asset posting. No, here. This is asset posting. Okay, and AB means asset document. AE means accounting document, and AF means depreciation postings. For every posting, there is a document type. Without allowing the document type, you cannot enter any invoice in your system. That is very important. So when they ask different questions on the this, I mean, in the interviewer, they will ask different types of questions on the document types. Whether the document type is mandatory or not to post the particular invoice, you need to tell about that one. Okay. So go to the transaction. Okay. Go to the asset accounting, Bala. Click on the asset posting. See, 16 is the number range. Okay. So we have to give the number range for this document type in our company code only. Then only postings will be happened. Go to the number range information, Bala. Right side, right side. Or else we have transaction code FBN1 also we have transaction code. Here give the company code, go to the intervals. Here 16 is not there. Go to give the number 16. Yes, year is 2021. Okay, and from number 100 to no 1 to give 1 to 100. 1 to 100.
200.
Yeah, you can give.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, save it. Save it. Save it. Yes, the number range was saved. Then just go back. Go back to the screen. Document types. Go back. Go back. Yeah. So here we have customer invoice. The document type is DR. There is a DR here. Yeah,
Is
here.
loaded.
Yes. Click on that one. This is the customer invoice. When we are posting any invoice for the particular customer, okay. So document type is interlinked with the number range. Why we are giving number range? So you will post number of datas, right? Sorry, number of invoices, right? So those will be depend on this number range information only. If the number range is exceeded, if the number range is, again I am telling you, if the number range is exceeded, the system will throw an error that this document type will not allow. That is the main thing. Go to the number range option. Yeah, this number range is 18, right? Give your company code. Go to the intervals. 18. Insert line 18 2021 201 to 400. 201 to 400. Yes. Click on the enter. Save it. Not 4000. Oh no. Oh no. Cancel that one. No. Give the 400 only. Give 400. Enter. No, Bala. Give 400 only. 400. Enter. Enter.
It is showing 4000. Zeros will be added, I think.
I think so. Okay, no issue. Go to the save button and save it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have saved, right? Then just
Yes,
go
sir.
back to the option. That is document type. Okay. What is the document type? Next one is customer payment. Okay. DZ is the customer payment. I think so. DZ is the customer payment. Right? DZ is there. And number range will be the 14. Okay, go to the 14. Number range option. Go to the 14. Give your company code and intervals. Here give 4001. I think so. 412. No. 4001. Bala. 4001 to 5000. Okay. Enter. Click on the save button and save it. Then what is that? KR means vendor document invoice. KZ means vendor payment. So here we have vendor credit memo will be there and customer credit memo will be there. So when we come to that lesson, that is vendor credit memos and customer credit memos, I will show you. Go to the transaction. What is the next one? Vendor invoice document KR. Come down. Yes, KR is there. Yeah. Go to the number range option. Give your company code and interval. And insert the line 19. Yeah, 2021. 5001 to 6000. 5001 to 6000. Okay. Click on the enter and save it. Yeah, good. Then just go back and take out the document that vendor payment also. Vendor payment. So that is 20 number range, right? Yeah. Give the intervals also. 20, right? Yeah. So 5000, 6001 to 7000. 6001 to 7000. Yes. So we have created all these document types, and also for these document types, we have created those number ranges. Why we need to create the number range? Why? Because so if the number range is exceeded, okay, so invoice postings will not happen. That is the main thing here. So you have created this number range for the vendor payment from 6001 to 7000. from 6001 to 7000 only, system will take all those records, whatever you post. That is why number range is very important. Then just go back, Bala.
Sir,
Go
essay
back.
documents, general line documents, sir.
Yeah, you can just give essay document, anything.
General line is not
Yeah,
allowed.
whatever you can give, Bala. Why? Because so we are posting all these entries. What are those entries? General ledgers accounts, and also vendor invoices, customer invoice postings. So when we, when we post those documents, the error will throw an, that error will come. Okay. So later we will do that one. You can just go to the GL account, give the number range also, 01. That is also very important. Okay. Save it. Okay. No issue. Bala has raised that good question. So when we post GL accounts, the number range will be missed. I mean, the system will throw an error, and again we come back to the FBN1. Okay. In the document type also, we can create a document number ranges. For your reference only, the next configuration I am going to tell you. Go to the transaction code FBN1, /n FBN1, /n FBN1. Okay. See, you have created all these number ranges. Okay. So document type is interlinked with the number ranges. Why? If the number range is exceeded, okay, GL account, vendor invoices postings, GL account postings, customer invoices postings will not be allowed if the number range is exceeded. So that is very important. You can just go back for your reference only. I'm showing you how to define the document number range. Go to the FB1 transaction code. You can just create the number ranges for your particular document type. Here, go to the transaction code. Next configuration is OBA4, define tolerance group for employees. Go to the transaction code OBA4. Yes. So here, go to the new entries. I will give you exact definition of the tolerance group. Tolerance group, those are used to define different control amounts which apply to maximum amount of the document. Okay. And then next one is maximum amount of the line item and maximum cash discounts to the customers and also vendors. So that is why tolerance group is very important. Okay. So here you can just give the group, go to the group.
Sir, because I am already created 2-3 companies, it is showing error, sir. One or more companies, you don't assign the tolerance group.
Okay. Mr. Vinay, we are already created number of groups, Vinay. So if you don't mind, can you skip this configuration, or you can give the company code? That is fine, sir.
Without group creation, tolerance group, I want to create company code as usually. If for example, if I entered the tolerance group, the postings will not be allowed.
Oh, okay, no issue. So, okay, so for company code, it's not at all, okay, no issue for that one tolerance group. You have already created that, right? Okay, no
Without
issue.
Tolerance group, I will process, sir.
So here, we will see what are the fields that we need to create here. Okay, you can just go to the group option, show to the audience also. I mean, for our students also, you can just show. Don't save it. Okay, in the group also, go to the group. Group also give anything SRA like that. Okay, SRA like that anything.
Sir, without group, I will process, no issue, sir. That is taken. Only you don't enter tolerance group.
Yeah. Take company code and
Yes.
amount per document is what?
9.
Yeah, give that amount. Yeah, 999. It's a demo server, right? It is not at all required to give an exact amount. But when it comes to the client, so whatever the client says, you can just need to give here. What is that amount per document? Here, permitted payment differences will be there. If you get profit, you will get based on the percentage. If you get expenses, you will get based on the percentage. So that is why we are giving here. Go to the save button and save it. Please go on the mute. Thank you so much. Yeah. You have created, right? So then
Yes,
next one is we need to assign these users to the tolerance group. Okay. Just go to the transaction code OB57. OB57 transaction code. Yes. See here. Go to the position. What is your username? Give that one.
I don't assign, sir, because of I created 2 more companies. That's why I'm not assigning.
Students only, and also for YouTuber viewers only. We will show. Don't save. Okay.
Okay.
Go to the
I
user. Go to the username. Go
65.
to the username.
I think.
Click on that one. So
User.
here, whatever we have created the tolerance group, you can just give here. Okay, for your username only. Then go to the save button. Go to the save button. Save it. No, go to the save button and save it. Okay. Go to the save button and save it. Yeah, data was already saved. So in this screen only, you will see like this only. Then next transaction code is OBY6. Go to the transaction code OBY6 here in the global settings. So here with this transaction code, whatever you have created, that means company code, tolerance group, credit control areas, fiscal year variant, all will be shown like in this screen only. Okay, give the company code, go to the position and give the company code and click on that one. See, we have created Srinu company. We have created company code SRAN, created credit control area SRCA, fiscal year variant is VS, field status variant is VSFE, posting period variant is SRVS. So all or we have created till now. So if you want to check, you can just go to the OBY6 option and you can see whatever you have created. Okay, you can just stop the recording, Bala. So global settings are ended.